What's up, YouTube? We are kicking off 2019 with a new tutorial. This year is going to be a big year for YouTube. I'm going to drop a video every single day, no matter what. So be on the lookout. If you're not a part of the team, hit the red subscribe button. Today we're cutting my boy Miles. We're doing an undercut with the curly top. We're going to do a skin fade on him. Ball fade, skin fade, zero fade, however you want to call it. I'm going to start by pinning up his hair with some duck clips so we can see what we're doing. We're going to brush his hair down. Now, off the bat, I'm going to do his lineup first so I can set my guides, to where I want to leave just his box. I don't want to do any arch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set his lineup, and then I'm going to set my bald line from the bottom of where his, the top of where his arch would go, the bottom of his box. That's where I'm going to start my bald line. And pretty much we're just going to continue straight back. We're going to drop it slightly in the back and just follow the contour of his head. Notice how I'm maintaining an even distance from where I started to where I end my zero guide, because I want to maintain that same shape and silhouette throughout the whole entire haircut. So we're just going to bald them out with we're using the Wall T retro cuts. Right now we're going to grab the cordless seniors, the custom cordless seniors with the Barber Teezy logo on them, or sticker I should say. We're going to go clipper open, going to go up about an inch and set our first guideline after our bald. Now from there we're just going to slowly close the lever as we move our way down to all the way closed to knock that bald line out. So typically what I do is about halfway and then a quarter of the way and then all the way closed, and that usually knocks out my line. You guys have seen me do bald fades before. It's the same process. Now we're going to take our 1.5 guard closed and we're going to go up into the bulk of the ridge area. This is literally just clearing up bulk because I'm actually going to go back over it with the one open. So this is just clearing up bulk around the perimeter of the head. So now I'm going to use the half guard all the way open. This is going to soften up what I'm going to do with the one open. Now typically, like on straight hair, I can fade straight from the 1.5 to the half without having to use a one guard. With Miles's hair, I gotta go back over it with the one guard. So I'm gonna go open, then I'm gonna go closed right under it. The whole process of this, I'm making sure I'm maintaining, cutting against the grain. So behind his ear, his direction changes a little bit, so that's why you see me going at an angle. You always want to make sure you're cutting all the way against the grain. So right here, I've seen a little dark mark, so I'm going to go back over the 1.5, right in the perimeter. Right here is where we go with the number 1, all the way open, and you're going to go right below where we set that 1.5 at, and that's just literally going to clean up any dark spots and just make for an even blend. Now right here, I can still see that little bit of a line there, so I'm going back in with my no guard open, trying to soften that line up some more underneath that half guard closed. That fade came out blurry. Right here, I'm gonna use the Beam Team cordless compressor. I just got the no drip, so that's coming soon. Probably this week I'm gonna do a video on it. Right here, we're gonna spray his hairline down. Boom, sharpen him up. He's already feeling himself. You see him lick his lip like that. That means he's feeling himself. So we have one side done. I like to work in panels, so I do one side and then I do the other side. So Right here, we're gonna finish them off with the razor on this side. And you know I'm using none other than the Tomb 45 razor. That's literally like the only razor I use. It's crazy. I just gave away my other straight razor because I never use it. So this side we're gonna do the same thing, just right above the ear, straight back. Again, maintaining the same distance from the front to the back as far as the width of our panel that we're gonna be fading on. I'm going to talk a little less on this one because it's the same steps literally that we did just did on the other side. Blade open, you know, halfway, quarter of the way closed, then 1.5, then, you know, half guard, then, you know, 1 open. So I'm going to kind of just let the beat rock out and touch on any points that I see. But other than that, just kind of follow along. Like I said, they're the exact same steps we just did on the other side. It's a pretty quick tutorial. There's nothing off the top. So just kind of follow along, let the beat rock. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. Wish your boy a happy 2019. I'm wishing y'all one right now. Alright, so this is the finished cut. Just jumping back in here. Finished cut. I'm gonna do like a little half spin. I didn't get like a full spin around with his hair pinned up and stuff. So, but you guys pretty much saw the work, you know, when we were fading it. Just going back through here and touching up a couple little spots I see. Other than that, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a little half spin on him, like I said. Try to lift his hair up on the side so you guys can kind of see the work on it. But that's the overall look that he rocks. You guys can see the fade on there. Nice and blurry, nice and crispy lines. So, like I said, if you're not a part of the team, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload a video. And I appreciate y'all watching this one again, and I will see y'all on the next video, which will be tomorrow. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's the Barber Teezy, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you guys like the content and you want to see more of it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right in the middle, my little face thing, wherever it is right here. Hit that and subscribe and join the team. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button for your boy. And if you want to check out more content that I've made, click on this video here or this video here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.